The negative predictive value is calculated by dividing the number of true negatives by the total number of negative tests. To help us understand this equation, we are going to imagine that a group of people are being tested for a condition. These white squares represent individuals without it, and the red squares represent individuals with it. This yellow line represents a cutoff level for a test. To the left of the line, the test returns negative, and to the right, it returns positive. Since the negative predictive value only takes into consideration negative tests, we are going to focus on the squares to the left of the yellow line. Now let's take a moment to look at the sample table in the top right corner. When calculating the negative predictive value, we only need to use the bottom row. This row is used for people who tested negative. In the left box, we have the false negatives, in the middle box, the true negatives, and on the right, the total number of negative tests. Counting the squares, we find that there is a single false negative, 100 true negatives, and 101 negative tests in total. Now all that's left to do is enter the data into the equation. Doing so, we find that the negative predictive value is 100 over 101, which is 99%.